Hello everyone. So this is the third part of Unit 3, Rural Institution Planning and Development. So here we will be discussing three institutions of rural development planning, namely National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, CAPART and NABARD. The National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, NIRD and PR, is an autonomous organization under the Union Ministry of Rural Development. It is a premier national center of excellence in rural development and Panchayati Raj, recognized internationally as one of the UN SCAP Center of Excellence. It built capacities of rural development functionaries, elected representatives of PRIs, bankers, NGOs, and other stakeholders through interrelated activities of training, research, and consultancy. The institute is located in the historic city of Hyderabad in the Telangana state. The NIRD and PR celebrates its Golden Jubilee year of establishment in 2008. Let's see what are the objectives of the National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. The first objective is that it organizes training programs, conferences, seminars, and workshops for senior level development managers, elected representatives, bankers, NGOs, and other stakeholders. It undertakes aid, promote and coordinate research on its own and or elaborate with state, national and international development agencies. It analyzes and offer solutions to problems encountered in planning and implementation of the programs of rural development, decentralized governance, Panchayati Raj and related programs. Study the functioning of Panchayati Raj institutions, PRIs and rural development programs across the state. Let's see what are the aim of NIRD and PR. The main aim of NIRD and PR is to examine and analyze the factors contributing to the improvement of economic and social well-being of people in rural India on a sustainable basis and focus on the rural poor and other disadvantaged groups through research, action research, consultancy and documentation effort. The second aim is to facilitate the rural development efforts with particular emphasis and focus on the rural poor by improving the knowledge, skill and attitude of rural development officials and non-officials through organizing training, workshops and seminars. So as we can see, the functions are given here, that is the training, education, research and networking. Now let's discuss regarding CAPART. CAPART is the Council of Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology. It was set up as a pioneering organization in September 1986 as a nodal agency by merging two organizations, namely People's Action for Development India (PAD) and Council for Advancement of Rural Technology (CART), with a mandate to promote voluntary action and propagate appropriate rural technology for the benefit of rural masses. It created suitable capacities among NGOs for adaptive research and technology training in various fields related to rural development. Let's see the objectives of CAPART, that is the Council for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology. The first objective is to encourage, promote and assist voluntary action for the implementation of projects intending enhancement of rural prosperity. Second objective is to strengthen and promote voluntary efforts in rural development with focus on injecting new technological inputs. The third objective is to act as a catalyst for the development of technology appropriate for rural areas and also to promote, plan, undertake, develop, maintain and support projects or schemes aimed at all-round development, creation of employment opportunity, promotion of self-reliance, generation of awareness, organization, and improvement in the quality of life of the people in rural area through voluntary action. Here, few programs and schemes have been given, namely Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana (SGSY), 2 million well scheme (MWS), Accelerated Rural Water Supply Program (ARWSP), Indira Awas Yojana, Panchayati Raj, etc. Now let's discuss regarding the NABARD. NABARD is the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It's development financial institution of India. Bank has been entrusted with matters concerning policy planning and operations in the field of credit for agriculture and other economic activities in rural areas in India. NABARD was established on the recommendation of B. Shivaraman Committee by Act 61 1981 of Parliament on July 1982 to implement the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Act in 1981. NABARD's head office is at Mumbai with branches all over India. Let's see the objectives of NABARD. The objectives of NABARD is to give undivided attention and purposeful direction to integrated rural development, to act as a centerpiece for entire rural credit system at the national level, to act as a provider of supplemental funding to rural credit institutions, to arrange for investment credit to small industries, village and cottage industry, handicrafts and other rural craft artisans and farmers, to improve the credit distribution system by institution building, rehabilitation of credit institutions and training of bank personnel, to provide refinance facilities to state land development banks SLDBS, state cooperative bank SCBs, regional rural bank RRBs and commercial bank CBs for development purpose in rural area, to coordinate the working of different agencies engaged in development work in rural areas at the regional level, and to have liaison with Government of India, RBI, state government and other policy-making institutions at the national level, and also to inspect, monitor and evaluate projects getting refinanced from the NABARD. Let's see regarding the key achievements of NABARD. Some of the activities undertaken by NABARD for rural development include provision of refinance support, improving rural infrastructure, preparation of credit plans at a district level and encouraging banks to achieve these targets, supervision of regional rural banks, RRBs and cooperative banks, development of sound banking practices with the economically backward section of India, training artisans to develop handicraft activities and offering them to help in marketing their products. The SHG Bank Linkage Program that was developed by NABARD has become one of the most noteworthy microfinance projects at the global level. NABARD has designed the Kisan Credit Card that has benefited crores of farmers in the country. NABARD takes credit for having financed 1/5 of the rural infrastructure of India. The institution pioneered watershed program for climate proofing. I hope the session regarding the National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, KAPAT and NABARD was informative and you were all able to understand the same. Have a happy learning. Thank you.